When I think about rain showers in April that bring flowers in May, to me, the showers are this very simple thing that nature just keeps doing and doing and doing and doing. And then it brings all these beautiful things to flourish. And what that means for me as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as someone who wants to bring things to flourish in his life is that I need to know what are the raindrops to me. What is that I can must not become tired of and just keep bringing back and back and back. And to me that translates into something that a lot of leaders or company owners, they're being forced into delegation of so many things, too many things. They're just you have to recognize what are the raindrops in what you are doing and keep pouring the raindrops. Don't delegate that. And that is, for me, for example, content creation and utilizing AI tools or tools in general to understand how I can optimize that process. It is something that I could easily hand off, but I don't want to because I need to be the cloud that produces those raindrops over and over again.